Let's watch a short video on how the Dry Roof Pro2 is set up and operates. We will start with the earth lead. Connect the crocodile clip to a suitable earthing point. Connect the other end to the 50 meters earth extension reel. Ground connections are really important. Insert the batteries by first removing the battery compartment covers. Then position the batteries, ensuring that the positive ID pips are at the top. And then replace the battery compartment covers, making sure they are reconnected correctly. Connect the other end of the earth lead to the ground terminal on the Dry Roof Pro2. Now it's time to assemble the poles and the electrode. Screw the two midsection poles together. Then add the end section. Unscrew the locking nut, so you can attach the electrode. Attach the electrode, and replace and tighten the locking nut. Finally, screw the pole into the handle. Line up the red dots and attach the interconnecting lead to the test probe connection socket with a push. Do not twist. Again, line up the red dots, and do the same with the other end of the lead by pushing it into the socket on the handle. It's now time to set the voltage. You can do this by either selecting one of the available test standards built into the machine, or by choosing manual mode and entering the voltage manually. It is important to note that we do not recommend any particular standard, as it is the inspector's responsibility to check that the voltage being used is in accordance with the dielectric strength and thickness of the material. The electrostatic wristband can help prevent unpleasant, but harmless, static shocks. Plug the cable into the handle and secure the band around your wrist. We are now ready to start testing. Start by sweeping the electrode across the testing area. Press and hold the handle button, and then press the cross button to hold the handle button in the on position. Press the handle button again to release. When a fault is detected, the instrument will sound an alarm, and the screen will glow red. Use the corner of the electrode to identify the location of the fault. The spark should be visible to the naked eye. Mark the position of the fault, and continue testing.